Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike here, another episode of Mike's RC Corner. Welcome to the channel, and this is a milestone favorite video for me. It may not mean much to you guys, and you probably don't even know, but this is episode 499 of my channel, and I'm going to do Got It, Run It, and I'm going to go back to one of my favorites. If you know me from way back when, the brand that really got me going into the hobby was the OFNA. Now it's Habeo, however you say it now. But this is my Hyper 8. This was one of the best ones I had early in my collection. I kept it. It was a nitro. I converted it to brushless. I bought the mount, took the motor out, put the brushless motor inside. This thing is awesome. It runs off my Fly Sky radio, which I've also had for a long time, the FS GT3C. I just fixed it. The spring inside broke, took it apart, bent the spring up, hooked it back on. She's back up and running. I am stoked. Now this thing boogies pretty good. She's pretty heavy. Last video or two you probably see me jumping this at a skate park at my old house. But today we're just going to rip it around the road for a quick video. Thanks you guys for tuning in. My next episode will be 500th, of course, and I got something a little special planned for that. A lot of times people think I just do small RCs. Well, those are the ones I get into review because I have a fairly small channel now. I used to be one of the first people to review for the overseas websites, and I used to get a lot bigger stuff, but my channel's small because of it's just a grassroots channel, and I do it when I can. And but I do have big 1/8 scales in my collection, and I do like to run them. They're a lot of fun. We're just going to rip it around for a bit first, and then we'll give it some speed passes on the radar, which I've never done, so I like to see how fast this goes. This thing's got a little bit of get up and go, and you got to kind of pay attention to it, because when you stand like this and it gets past you, you got to turn your head quick enough. Nothing like a little good old brushless power. I got a 4S battery in here. It's a good old Turnigy battery. Back in the day when I had some money, I would buy some batteries for racing. I found best bang for my buck was the Turnigy batteries, especially the Nanotech. This sucker, you can skip her pretty good, get a hop on, power slide. She's just a brute power. Sweet little ride. One of the ones I love. I don't drive this one enough in my collection, and yeah, I gotta do reviews and videos for all different other things. Kind of starting to get into the crawlers and stuff. The 1/8 racing scene has disappeared from this area. It went to 110. No one wants these ones on the track anymore because they just tear up the track. So guys, I'm going to pause here for a sec. I'm going to get the radar, and the next things you're going to see is some speed passes from this sucker. Can't wait to see what it registers. Alright, we're going to do some stuff here. We're going to register in kilometers. We're just going to do a slow pass here to make sure we are registering. That's 36 already. We can go a lot faster than that. Hope you guys can see it. I put it in the shade. So let's see what we can get some speeds at. So 59. So this is collecting in probably around 60. $59. At least this thing is pretty true and accurate to itself. And it sure seems faster than 60. 59, so it is what it is, guys. I don't know. Can I squeeze one more kilometer out of it? We want 60. We want 60. Here we go. Wind her up. 59. It is what it is. Let's say it said 60. Yes, it goes 60 kilometers an hour. Unbelievable. Lots of fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This episode 499 is coming to a close. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you've been around for a long time, thanks for tuning in for all these years. Number 500 will be out soon, and I hope to do some fun. And my son will be included, and we're gonna have you'll have to stay tuned to see it. And I hope to catch you on that next one soon, guys. Peace, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.